Hey you guys, welcome to another room tour. Today we are staying at the D in downtown Las Vegas. It's on Fremont Street. Now the last video I had is the Venetian. These are drastic opposites. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the bathroom. I was here last night and I forgot to do the room tour, but anyway. They have a hair dryer. This is my hand towel I was using. Sink stuff. They only have a shower in here, no bathtub, but that's okay. Mirror. Have little cubbies for the towels and stuff over there. Toilet. And that's about it for the bathroom. And then going over here, we have this closet area. And in here, I have an ironing board, luggage rack, tons of, these are like the most hangers I've ever seen in a hotel room. And an iron and more space there, and I have my bag down there. Okay, let's close this. And here we are in the main part of the room. One bed, two bed. I slept here last night, so my bed's kind of messy. I slept last night. The maid came in because me and Heather went to stadium swim early this morning. So when I came back, I literally, I tried to take a nap, but it didn't work. So my bed's kind of messy. But anyway, this is my bed. This is the other bed. And then the lamp and stuff. And what I think is cool is they have USB ports right here. And then I have a regular plug. So I have two USB ports and a regular plug. And then we have like the normal clock and the drawer. And then little TV. It's cute. In your desk area. Sorry for the mess. Like I said, I've been here for a day already. I'm going home tomorrow. And then in here is the safe. It's under the TV. That's different. So there's the safe. And then over here's the window. This is facing the city, they say. Let me turn off the light. Oh, there's a light. This room is comparing to the other rooms. This room is kind of dark. But I don't even know if you can see outside actually, because I forgot. Because the windows have like a little film on them. Because if you look on the outside of the D, I think I'm gonna find a picture of the outside of the D. I'm gonna insert it right here. Oh, you can see pretty good, but there's like a film. You can see like the dots, so I have to kind of back up. But right here's Slotzilla. I don't know if I can zoom in. See how you zoom in? Okay, I can't really zoom in because it will go away. But there's the big Slotzilla. We're in downtown LA. This is either the beginning of Fremont Street or the end of Fremont Street. I don't know which one. But here's the view. Oh, I forgot to turn off the light. Okay, so there's Fremont Street. This is the beginning or the end, like I said. I don't know which one. And then over here is more of downtown. And there is a glare because there's a light literally right down there. So I can't really give you guys a good view. But, yeah. And I'm going to turn on the light again. But, surprisingly, the beds are so comfortable. I slept so well last night. Me and Heather spent the night because we were gonna go to stadium soon early in the morning. So yeah, the beds are really comfortable. So I'm excited to sleep in the bed. Oh yeah, and it has this kind of air conditioning, but this gets extra cold, like ridiculously cold. Right now I have it set up to 78 degrees because like when it turns on, it turns on. But this is another overview of the room. It's really basic. If you're coming to Vegas and you're on a budget and you just need something to sleep at and nothing, like you can hang out here, but you know, it's not like the Venetian or whatever. But it's a nice place and you're in downtown, and Circa's on the other end of the Fremont Street. It's not that far, it's like maybe a block away. But and downstairs is nice and stuff. But yeah, this is the room. It's really, really basic, and it's quiet. It's quiet. Like, I was kind of scared, to be honest, because Fremont Street is right down there. I was kind of like scared, not scared, but kind of like, oh, I hope they're not loud. But it was quiet. It was really quiet, and I slept really well. But anyway, I am going to go. Thank you so much for watching. And check out my other room tours. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, or a link for it up here. All the playlists for my room tours. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.